the only, newest superheroes. Cat Patrol! They go on the road and save people. Cat Patrol! There's Toy, Lindy, Glamour, Muffin, and Rose. And then there's me, Kiki! Cat Patrol! Yeah, Cat Patrol! Yeehaw! Cat Patrol! They left the locker open. The locker's open. I need to get the. Where's my precious money? Grab a $10 bill. Oh, I need my escape. Cat Patrol. There's a serious villain on the loose. It is Rocco. He came into this bank, found a locker for all the money, and stole $10 from it. He learned how to open it. Well, we forgot that it was already opened. So can you stop this robber? Yes, we can. And if we can't, we can call the police. Never give up. We never give up. Like Diary of a Wimpy Kid says, the third wheel. Don't you ever say that? No. Anyway, we'll stop this robber. Ooh, I need something to distract the robber, like something cute and cuddly. Ooh, where is it? Where is it? Something cute and cuddly. Ooh, this is cute and cuddly. It smells like caramel. Really? How can you always bring something cute and cuddly? Lindy is my name. Cute and cuddly is my middle name. I didn't know. Jewelry girl coming through. Jewelry, my middle name. I thought your middle name was Mildred. Anyway, that was my middle name, but now I changed it. Here we go. Let's go. Wait, why are your eyes blue and your bow is blue with it? Oh, that's because I changed my eye color and my bow. And I changed my name also to Quinn. Okay, so in the theme song, you're going to be called Quinn. Wait, we have a theme song? Yeah, you know, Cat Patrol. They go around the world and save people. You know that one? Oh, right. Anyway, I need to bring jewelry. It's glamorous. Anyway, let's go down. Woo! Going down. Wait, I need to bring my gear. Hello? Bring my gear. Whatever. They're going to be in big trouble if they don't bring my gear. Fine, I guess I'll bring my gear. Glamour! Whatever. I'm trying to get that phone in here. Anyway, that hurt. Ow. I'm okay. Ugh. Are you actually okay? Yeah. Well, let's start going. Yeah. I have the keys to the locker. Let's go. Into our Cat Patrol Jeep. Come on, guys. Don't forget about the swag. Swag! I guess I have to carry all the swag. Wait, there's no room in the Jeep. You just have to walk. Even better. There's only room for 3 people in this. Where are the rest of the people gonna go? We're gonna have to walk. With my giant... No way, lady. Fine. Here, how about we don't walk just this once? Yeah! How about we walk just this once? Okay, and then next time we'll get another Jeep that will fit all of this. Okay. Let's go. Oh man, do I really have to carry all the swag? Yes! Yeah. Fine. Let's go. Hey, guys, look. The locker's open. And there's a credit card there that he left. Keep this. Why? He robbed it. But he dropped it. Let's put it back in the locker. He won't see me back here. Jewelry. Oh no. I have to hide. Okay, he did steal a $10 bill. We're going to find him. Before he's on the list again. Yep. Hey, what's that over there? Oh no. They're gonna see me. They're gonna see me. I need to hide. Hide. Where can I hide? I'll just hide. Right. Wait, what about the lava lamp? Oh yeah, we have the lava lamp. That will detect it. The more red, the better. Closer she is, with the more red. He's really around here. He's really around here. So we need to catch him, stat, before he runs. Oh no. Here we go. Leave this here. I see that's bubbling. That means that he's going. Oh no, he's leaving. Cat Patrol, please. Call the police. I'll get my phone out and call the police to help us on our team. Yeah, this is the police station speaking. Thank you very much. Help, it's us, the Cat Patrol. Yeah, what? The Cat Patrol sucks. Hey, we're on a case. Oh, wait. Sorry, I'm a big fan of them. Yeah. So what? Cat Patrol? Yeah, cool. You want to call for me? What? We only call for emergencies only. No, but we have an emergency. There's a robber that's going along. He stole $10 from a bank. We're trying to find him. Oh, mess. Oh my gosh, he's stealing $10? Oh my, he must have learned how to open up the locker. We'll come straight away. This will continue on Cat Patrol story. What will happen next with the Cat Patrol?